Okay, here we go. I got got a little garage conversion that I'm doing here. Tony Chavez, Top Choice Plumbing, Oxnard, California. Give me a call or text if you want. Have any plumbing questions, have any jobs in the Ventura County area, Ventura County, California. 805-302-8218. So what we got here is a little garage conversion. We got up there is the garage, so we'll go check that out right now. So what we got here is our tie-in. We got a septic tank here, so we located this line and cut a piece out, put our 4x3 there with our couple of strong back couplings for the, hopefully the inspector likes those. What I like to do here is we put it on test for the inspector. I'm waiting for the inspector right now, the county inspector, to come take a look at it, sign us off. I put 2 gym caps there, one to prevent any water from coming back up from the septic tank if it backs up or something while we're working. And then I put another cap here. Some people do it different ways, but I like to put a gym cap on there and then leave a little bit of play here, so once I get the inspector to sign it off, I could connect it back with the permanent coupling. What we have to do is cap it off so we can fill the entire line with water. That's what the inspector wants to see. He wants to see it topped off with water. About a 10-foot riser on it, which we'll go take a look at right now. So let's get in the ditch here. And so what we got here is we got our, we only have one toilet on this line and a couple other fixtures, a shower and a sink and a couple little sinks and toilet. So we got a 3-inch line here that's ran all the way through. We had to go underneath this wall here, so we had to sneak underneath that. It was a little tough digging it. And then we got our line coming through here. Let's see if we can get a good look at it. So we got a kind of a crazy angle there going uphill. So we got a couple 22s on that line. Couple 22 fittings. Look at the guys didn't put. So we got a couple of 22 fittings back here, and then we got a clean out here for future access. And look at the guys forgot to put some Teflon and pipe dope on that. I'm trying to fill it up for the inspector. And this is what I have to deal with now. I'll fix that in a moment. But we got our combi. It's a 3-inch combi. Combination YN45 is the technical term for it. Let me see if I can't tighten this down. Oh shoot. Should be good enough for the inspector. Okay, let's go see what we did inside. So let's start from the beginning here. snuck underneath the foundation here, so we didn't have to break through it. We got another 3x2 combi there, and that's going to our sink. So we got some 45s there. And then we got some 45s. We're sneaking across this wall here to get up in the wall, sneaking across that foundation to get up in the wall. So we got our grade there. We got it all shaded in. So you can see that there. Got all our line there. So let's walk that. We got another combi coming up here, right there. And that goes to that, which is our tankless water heater condensate drain. So a lot of these new tankless water heaters take a condensate drain, so if you have a tankless water heater, just be mindful that you might need a condensate drain for it if you're doing a new installation, a new construction installation. There's another sink over here. We 45'd around the foundation so that we don't have to jackhammer all that up. We got another fitting here, which is I have it covered all up for for the cement. When the cement comes in, we gotta have this foam covering padding on it. That is a 2-inch santee, and that goes down into a 3x2 combi. So you always want to put those santees on a vertical. You never want to put those santees on a horizontal. Oh, look at my water's finally filling up there. So this is our top out up here. So we got to fill it up for top out. So it's already, we got water coming out. I got my toilet. Let me go turn this water off while I'm here. So now we got our toilet here, and we got a right there. So we got a 90 coming up from the ground, and then we got a 3x2 heel outlet with our 3x4 riser for the toilet flange. We got our shower right here with the shower box. So I have my little makeshift shower box, so when they put all the cement in, then they could, so we have a little bit of play when it comes to the measurement of our final installation of our P-trap and our shower drain. So there's another sink over here, right there. So we're just waiting for the inspector now. I got it all filled up, ready to go. He's just gonna come and take a look at the fittings, make sure everything's going downhill, make sure we're shaded with clean dirt, make sure our pipe size is correct, make sure we have all the drains to the correct fixtures. So yeah, that's it for this phase. Once he signs us off for this phase, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna backfill all this real nice and clean it up, and they'll be ready to pour the cement foundation here, and then we'll be able to once they do all the framing, we'll come back for the rough stage. We'll put all our gas lines and water lines and all our vent lines for these all these drains we got going. So yeah, that's it. You know, phase one, get all the drain pipes in the ground. So we got that complete, and we're just waiting for the inspector to come sign it off, and you know, hopefully everything's all good, and we'll see you on the next phase. All right, cool. See you. Tony Chavez, Top Choice Plumbing, Oxnard, California.